Are you struggling to write that perfect college essay? You're in the right place. Hey everyone, it's Mason Goodwin, back here for another video. Today in this video, I'm going to give some amazing essay tips that help you get into great schools, such as Duke, UPenn, or others. These tips help me out, and I'm sure these tips can help you guys out too. I'd like you guys to like and subscribe to help my content grow, and I'd like to give all glory to God for any success I had in the past and in the future. So let's get into the video. For our first tip on how to write amazing college essays is to stay away from these 11 cliche topics. I got this source from CollegeVine where it gave me these topics. For the first topic they said you shouldn't write about is resume of your life and achievements. Second is sports injury, challenge, or success. Third is the immigrant story. Fourth is tragedy about death, divorce, or abuse. Fifth is working hard in a challenging class. Sixth, someone you admire. 7, a volunteer trip. 8, moving to a different part of the country. 9, your religious institution or faith. 10, romantic relationships and breakups. 11, family pressure to pursue a particular major or field. Overall, if you read the whole article, it can tell you that these are a lot of repetitive topics that they may see over and over again. If you really want to stand out, you should find something that breaks the chain or moves away from the path of these 11 cliche topics. There may be some exceptions, so I'll link the article below that you guys can read about it more. My second tip to write amazing college essays is to try to use specific information from the college website to support your information in your college essays. One example of this comes from my Why Duke essay, where I used examples of specific computer science programs to implement why I wanted to go to Duke University. And I'll show an example of this on the screen. Reading example, it says, Duke programs that interest me are the fast-paced Summer CS+, Data+, and Code+, where I'll have the opportunity to challenge myself across the spectrum of computer science principles. Looking back at this example, you can see I listed 3 specific examples of computer science programs in Duke University. These programs were summer programs, which were found on the specific parts of the website under the computer science catalog, where I did do my own research to kind of implement this in my own essay. By implementing this, it shows that I went the extra step to do my true research and show that I really wanted to be a part of this university one day. For my third tip, I would like to say that try to use different activities or extracurriculars for each of your different essays. So say one college, such as Duke or UPenn or any other college, gives you more than 1 essays, plus your extra Common App essay. I'll try to pinpoint different things they can use for each of your essays. They can show a variety of yourself. So what I ended up doing for certain colleges, I could use my class president for one essay, or my internship for another essay, or volunteering for another essay. So it kind of diversifies myself, and so that these college admission officers can see the different parts of myself. So this also can be applied to events or stories that you like to tell to admission officers. I'm just stressing, do not use one event, story, or activity over and over again in each of your essays, because they'll see a lot of repetition and they won't be able to see the full story of yourself. For my last tip is to make sure that you guys use these amazing online resources from YouTube to different websites to help you guys write these college essays. And I have a few recommendations of my own that you guys can use. My first recommendation would be Super Tutor TV, where she has a great YouTube channel. She mainly focuses on different college content, but she does have a section of just college essay related content that give you different tips or different writing styles that you can use towards your college essays. Another person I would like to recommend is College Essay Guy, where he's a great YouTube channel focusing on just college essays, but also has a website on just different tips for college essays too. Next, I'd like to recommend CollegeVine, where it gives great college tips all around, how to apply, college essays, and more. Lastly, I would just say check out any other college YouTuber that makes content like this. You can find them on Google, YouTube search, you just gotta look them up. If you guys would like to see more college related content, check out my channel or check out the recommended video. Thank you for watching and God bless.